Dear students, in this video, let's discuss about board model papers 1 and 2 comparison. What are the main focus on first model paper? What are the main focus points of second model paper, particularly 3 marks and 4 marks? You can observe here, left side model 1 paper 3 marks questions are there, right side model 1 paper 2 paper 3 marks questions are there. So let's check it out. The first one, what they have focused on here. First one question is, what were the effects of British education in India? This is in first model paper, but in second model paper they have asked the same question, but the asking pattern is different. What are the effects of British education? But in model paper 2, impact of British education on India. Both answer are same. Next you go, they have asked contributions of Puttabasappa. Contributions of Puttabasappa. But here they have asked effects of Third Anglo-Mysore War. Effects of Third Anglo-Mysore War. So next go, they have asked about Arya Samaj aims in first model, but next model they have changed. They have changed about contributions of Anne Besant. Lesson focus is same, but question they have changed. Same lesson. And next question, 27th question. First, what are the reasons for economic causes for the first Indian independence? Economic causes for first war of Indian independence. But here, 27th question, economic factors responsible for 1857 revolt. Same lesson, question also same, but way of asking is different. 1857 revolt here, but here first war of Indian independence. Next, 28th question, they have asked measures taken to solve the unemployment. In model paper 2, there is no parallel question to the model 1 paper, but there is a different question from different lesson. They skipped one lesson. They have asked relationship between India and Russia. Next question, eradication of untouchability. They have asked measures taken to eradicate untouchability. The same question is repeated here in model paper 2 also. Next, importance of transport they have asked, but here they have asked importance of communication. Same lesson, different question, different concept. Next, 31 question, influence on localization of industry. Here also same question they have asked. Industries are localized in few places only. Why? Same answer we have to write. The question is different. And here, preventive measures to be taken face cyclone. But here asked, what are the effects of earthquake be reduced? Both questions from same lesson, but here asked cyclone, but here asked earthquake. Next, 32nd, human development indicators they have asked, but from same lesson in model paper 2, functions of self-help group they have asked. Functions of self-help group. Next, that is importance of rural development in model 1. In model 2, main features of Panchayat Raj they have asked. Features of Panchayat Raj, here importance of rural development. Same question, same lesson, questions are different. So on this basis, you can easily guess which are the very important lesson. 33rd question is Objectives of Consumer Protection Act. Objectives of Consumer Protection Act, but here is no parallel question from that lesson, but here only asked 33rd model 2. You can see in bottom advantages of opening bank account they have asked. In model paper 1, characteristics of bank asked, but here model paper 2, what are the causes for consumer exploitation they have asked. So this is all model paper 1 and model paper 2, particularly 3 marks questions comparison. And here you can look at 4 marks questions from model 1 and model 2. First question from model 1 paper, you can observe here. First question is role of moderates they have asked. Role of moderates, but here they have asked about Subhash Chandra Bose. 35th question, they have asked about Jawaharlal Nehru, but here they have asked about radicals. How did radicals fight against the British? And then next, major developments took place during non-cooperation movement. They have asked about non-cooperation movement in first model. In second model, same question, how non-cooperation movement organized. This is the question, same lesson. And here 36th one is explain the structure and functions of the General Assembly. Structure and functions of the General Assembly, but here they have directly asked explain the achievements of UNO. Same lesson, concept changed. Next one is last one, you can see here, list out the different land use pattern of India, but here asked from the same lesson one more question, name the different types of agriculture practiced in India. So on this basis you can easily understand what are the important lessons they have focused on. So on that basis you can easily focus on 3 marks and 4 marks questions. Thank you.